Have you suffered from profound loss? Do you feel an essential part of you is gone? That no one understands your pain? Do others pressure you to move on? Your experience of grief is unique, precious, your own. You may be best qualified to know when and how to grieve. Would you like to grieve on your own terms? The stories in this book will inspire you to trust your heart, seek your own guidance, find refuge on the road of life. Now available from Amazon and other retailers. Living with Grief, 36 Lessons from Life.